Hey everyone, Lewis here at the Masterscraft Flooring Company. Today I have Tim McCool, our Mapei rep, talking to us about underlayment prep with the Quickpatch and Planipatch system. So Tim, if you can help our viewers understand more about this product line.
Absolutely. The foundation of any good floor is good subfloor prep, and making sure that you get the area flat as smooth as you can prior to then putting any kind of flooring system down. So Mapei has a wide range of different styles of products for this. Let's go with Planipatch first. Planipatch is a product that you need to know that what kind of moisture you're dealing with, because it does have a limit of 5 pounds or 85% RH. So you need to do some moisture testing to know that this is the patch to use for you. Planipatch will go over concrete, will go over wood substrates, it will go over ceramic tile, it will go over other types of floor covering as well. So it's a great all-around patch product, limited to a 1/2 inch in thickness. It generally is going to dry anywhere between 30 minutes to 90 minutes to be able to then go ahead and start getting it prepped to put floor covering over the top of it. Really our workhorse patch product.
Okay.
Mapecem Quickpatch. This particular product is designed for unlimited moisture, but it's only designed for concrete. Okay, so you don't want to necessarily put this over a wood substrate, only concrete. Okay. The nice thing about it, you don't have to do a moisture test. You can go ahead and prepare the area. Anytime you're using a patch, most patches tend to dry relatively fast. So the normal work time, by the time you get it mixed up and in the bucket, and we call it pot life. The pot life is generally like 8 to 10 minutes, or on the Planipatch, and you got about 15 minutes on the Quickpatch. So you got to make sure you know where you're going to put it. You just don't want to go mix it up and then try to find some spots because it'll harden up in the bucket.
Okay.
So figure out what you're going to do. Have the areas marked out. You have to place a patch, which means that you have to put it in and smooth it out in the area that you want it. The nice thing about patches is they require no primer. So you can go ahead and put this product directly to whatever that substrate is. Coverage, kind of a rule of thumb for coverage, is for about every 1/8 of an inch that you're trying to cover or build up, you're going to use about 1 pound of patch material. Okay. So it's just a good rule of thumb. So if you're going to use, you got 1/4 of an inch to do, away you go. You just multiply that on out. So it's a good rule of thumb. But these are 2 of the workhorse patches at Mapei.
Okay, great. And you can get these products at your local Masterscraft branch, or contact your local sales rep and they can assist you with this. Also, in the links below in this video, there's more information on this product line. And so if you have any questions or want to do some more digging, you can do so on that end. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks, Tim. And we appreciate being, and hopefully we can continue to be your go-to wood flooring supplier. Thank you.